Test one. Yeah. Cool.
Do you know which one this is?
Huh? I think it's one of these two. That one. So I dressed up for you all today, if you're wondering, and then I thought, wow, I look a little too professional, so then I untucked my shirt. So that's for all of you today. You're welcome. No clapping, especially the one person in the back. That's really not good. Either you're all going to do it or none of you are. You understand me? That's like, no, please, I don't mean that. So, did you ever go to, like, school? And I grew up really, like, incredibly conservative Republican, because I grew up in a Christian home and apparently like a Southern Baptist home, and you're supposed to be a white middle class Republican because that's what Jesus was, I think, right? I don't think that's really accurate, but anyway, not that I want to talk about politics here, but anyway, one of the things I used to hear a lot that I used to get real angry about, and it doesn't really matter now, but I thought, hey, while we're talking about it, which we weren't talking about it, I'm not even really talking, but there was a couple people clapping, and I made a statement, we're either all going to clap or no one's going to clap. Did you ever take the food to the school? Like you'd have your M&Ms, and the teacher would say, well, we're either all going to eat M&Ms or none of us going to eat M&Ms, and then you're like, oh goodness, so everybody got one M&M, and it just kind of, and I was like, well, that's so socialist or whatever, but anyway, but that was back in the day. A lot has changed for me in the political realm, but not that I ever want to talk about that junk, but anyway, so this is week 5. Week 1, we were talking about be welcoming, with the idea that the church should be all-inclusive, not exclusive, that church isn't just for church people, church is for people. Week number 2 was be genuine, with really the understanding that maybe we should actually sit still long enough to actually be real about who we are, so that when we decide and discover who we are, then that point is when we can begin becoming who God wants us to be. Week 3 was be knowledgeable, with really trying to get us to take a few moments just to really understand the idea of knowing God and Him knowing us. And last week we talked about being considerate and considering everyone, not being selective about who we care about, and those things. And this week really is be involved. And what Starbucks says is be involved. And then again, for those of you who haven't been here, the Starbucks uses these 5 principles in their Green Apron book, and some pretty cool stuff. But they say for the 5th principle, be involved. And it says in your store, in your community, in your world. And so as I read through that and thought through that for, 10, 12 weeks now. I started working on this back in the summer. There was, when I got to this and I thought, really to be involved in something, you can't be all of it. Like I wouldn't say that I'm involved in some things that I'm completely in control of. In order to be involved, you only can be a component of it. To be involved means that there's someone or something